Welcome back to a video on A-Level Further Maths. We're starting looking at complex numbers in this video, and the first thing the specification says about complex numbers is you should be able to solve all quadratic equations. So the first question is, what was stopping us from solving all quadratic equations before? And that was the fact that when we had negative square roots, they have no real solutions. Okay, you cannot find a real number that satisfies a negative square root. Okay, so the next question is, how do we get around that? Well, we define the imaginary number I as the square root of -1. So we take the square root of -1 and we just say we'll call that I. Alright, and then we write all other negative square roots in terms of I, the imaginary unit. Okay, so we're going to take a look at solving a quadratic now using the quadratic formula and this new I. Okay, so let's take x squared plus 2x plus 4, and that's equal to 0. So to find our x solutions, we know we can use the quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b, so that's -2 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 4 minus 4 times a times c, and this is all divided by 2 times a, which is 2. Brilliant. So simplifying this a little bit gives -1 plus or minus 1/2, and then 4 minus 16, so that's -12. Okay, so we have a negative number inside the square root here. So we're going to use this imaginary unit. So first of all, we're going to take that out. So we're going to do -1, now we've got plus or minus 1/2, right? And by our third rules, we can do that, okay? But I is equal to -1, and by more third rules, root 12 is equal to root 4 times root 3, and root 4 is just 2. So this comes out as equal to -1 plus or minus 2 times 1/2, which is just 1. And then we get root 3 I. Okay, so that's our solution to this quadratic. That's all we're going to go through in this video. In the next video, we're going to look at solving some cubics and quartics, given some of the roots, or given a way to find some of the roots. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.